So I'm going to walk you through the tracking chart and how it works and how it's important to you so that you know what lesson you're working on. One of the first things that I want to stress, and we've talked about this in class, your dashboard in Canvas should look like this. If you have your dashboard set to list view or activity view, which I've seen some students using, then your Canvas dashboard is going to look something like this. This is only going to show you what is scheduled for today. And that is not how any of the classes here at Bryan Station work. You need to make sure that you are entering in a class from the card view. So when you pull open your dashboard, you should see cards which have each class labeled that you can click and open. When you open my class, and I'm going to go with foods and nutrition, then it's going to take you to your home page. So your home page is where the important buttons for my class are going to be located. So we'll give it just a second to load here. So let's go ahead and click it into student view so you can see exactly what you see in your Canvas. So when you open it up, your Canvas should look a bit like this. You have some links on the left. You have announcements at the top. You also have a to-do list over here on the right-hand side. Please do not work out of the to-do list. Particularly as we move through units, you're going to be assigned some assignments, but you may not do them all. You're going to have assignment choice. So that means on your lesson for the day, it's going to ask you to pick between a couple of different assignments. You also are going to be scheduled some assignments that are aspired to do, that are for students that want to go above and beyond. If you're working out of your to-do list, then you are doing more work than you need to do. You are also doing your lessons backwards. So you always want to work from modules. So you can reach the modules over here in your navigation bar, or you can reach them on your homepage. In my classroom, you already should be familiar with the check-in button. Every single day, we do the check-in button. We also have a hall pass request. This is how you get to your email, and this is how we get to the lesson tracking charts. Let's start here on the modules. When it comes to the modules, the module that we are currently on pace with will be on top. And that module will be dated from start to finish. This is when we started these lessons. This is where we're at right now. If you're looking here at dates, and you move through your lessons in order. If you have not been to class and you have not been to school, and it is September 6th, you do not come in and start with that lesson. You work on your own lessons. You work at your own pace. If you have not done lessons 1, 2, and 3, you don't do lesson 4 before you've done that. Everything builds on itself. You need to know that vocabulary. You need to know that content so that you can understand it. In this class, it's all about what you're learning and what pace you're going at. If you have completed that module, you can hit this little button here and do what's called collapse it, and then you move on. As the dates go, I'll move this module to the top. So this module is about to move to the top. If you want to know what lessons you are on, then you are going to go to the tracking chart. I'm going to pause this video here, and I'm going to do a separate video, part 2, and call it on the tracking chart.